Hello praisers and savers, my name is Sandy and welcome back to my channel. I am here tonight to show you my amazing Publix haul that I got today, and I got some free pancake mix, some dinner ideas, pork tenderloin, some sides, and some cleaning products. So stay tuned for the video, and also check out the principal breakdown in the description box, and I will show you what I did. Let's go. So the very first thing I got was this Kraft macaroni and cheese. It was just 65 cents per box. This is a no coupons needed deal. I love deals like this. We eat this quite often, and I will be making this for supper tomorrow night with the pork tenderloin that you saw in the picture. So Kraft macaroni and cheese is BOGO for just 65 cents each, no coupons needed. The next deal is going to be on this Hungry Jack mashed potato sides. These are 67 cents each. It is also another no coupons needed deal. These are buy one get one free, and I actually got pretty excited because I got the regular buttery mashed potatoes, and then I also picked up some sweet potato mashed potatoes I've never seen before. So great deal on this, just 67 cents for the Hungry Jack mashed potatoes, no coupons needed. The next thing I picked up was these Publix pork tenderloins. These are on sale, buy one get one free, $7. So I picked this up for $3.50. I'm really excited about this because we'll be having this for dinner tomorrow. No coupons needed on the pork tenderloins. My daughter has been asking for the Snack Factory pretzel chips for a while now. These are found in the Publix deli. They're 2 for $6, and finally I can pick these up for her. I don't have a coupon for these, but they're $3 each, and she really likes these for her lunch, so she's getting them this week. This is a super easy freebie on the Kodiak Power Cakes. These are $6.29. There is a coupon link in the description box for these pancake and waffle mix. So when you go to the register, they'll scan the coupon and they'll enter it in for the price of the pancake mix that you get. So like I said, just in the description box, check it out. And I'm able to print this coupon off since it's a PDF as many times as I want to. Now, I heard some people say that they found a Blinky coupon on the Purdue chicken breast nuggets, but my store did not have them. I'm still going to pick these up for $1.50. These are 2 for $7 or $3.50 each. There is a $2 IBOTTA rebate on the app that you can do up to 5 times. I've already gotten mine back, making these just $1.50 each. The next deal I got was this A2 milk. These are $4.49 on BOGO, making these $2.25 each. I have a $1 off coupon that I got from the grocery couponing network. That's also linked in the description box. Some people have $1 IBOTTA on these, but I don't have the $1 IBOTTA, making this just $1.25 per half gallon of milk. The next deal is another no coupons needed deal. These are $2 each on BOGO. It's the Kerrygold Pure Irish Butter. This is my favorite butter to buy. I think all of the Kerrygolds are on sale this week, but I chose the original one for just $2. The next deal is on the soft soap hand soap. These are the larger bottles for 75 cents each. What you'll do is you'll pick up 2 of them for $5 or $2.50 each. There's a 50-cent coupon on the Soft Soap website. You can print this coupon off twice. The link to this coupon is in the description box. Then you can use a Publix store coupon, which is $1.25 off on each of these. This coupon for the store expires on the 11th, so you need to go ahead and try to use it as soon as possible. This Ajax soap is going to be $1.16 each. At first when I saw this, I wasn't going to pick it up, but I realized this is a pretty large bottle. I think it was about 28 ounces per bottle of Ajax. These are 3 for $5 or about $1.66 each. There's a 50-cent coupon that came out in the Smart Source 3/6 paper. So using that coupon makes it just $1.16 each. Alright guys, so everything in the video was about $17. I got 2 half gallons of milk, the chicken nuggets, the pork tenderloin, the sides, snacks, soap, hand soap, and the free Kodiak pancakes mix. Overall, it's a pretty great haul. The only thing that I used a newspaper coupon was on the Ajax dish soap, the Kodiak soft soap, and the A2 milk coupons are all located in the description box with a link to the websites to get those coupons. Alright guys, let me know if you score on the Kodiak pancake mix. I plan on doing this deal every time I head into Publix.